How to change name on TikTok before 7 days. Hey guys, let's get started. So first, open up TikTok application on your device and log into your account. Once it opens up, tap on your profile at the bottom right corner. Well, in my case, it's already been more than 7 days, so I can easily change my profile. But if you want to change your profile and it's not been 7 days yet, then you can follow this trick. So once you're on your profile page, tap on three horizontal lines at the upper right corner. And now select settings and privacy. Once you land on the settings page, scroll down to the very bottom and under support and about, select report a problem. Now once the report page opens up, under topic section, click on account and profile. On the next page, select editing profile and from the drop down menu, select unable to change username. And now in this page, TikTok will basically try to solve your problem by guiding you on how to change your profile, but that's not going to help us. So you'll be able to see, is your problem resolved tab, and there will be two options, yes or no. Select the no option. Next, click on need more help. And now on this page, you can simply type down your problem, and you could also add a screenshot of the issue by clicking on the gallery like icon. So under tell us your feedback, you can write down, hey TikTok team, I want to change my username even though it's not been 7 days since I last changed my username. Please help me on this issue, whatever is suitable. And once you're done, click on the submit button. And now TikTok will look after this issue and will follow you up accordingly. So yeah, so I really hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to us for more great contents. Thanks for watching.